Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to use Monday.com for inventory management. So, if you want to have a perfect inventory management system and you are lacking to find any reliable and authentic and very easy to understand new software or application, then Monday.com is your go to place. So, just follow the steps I'll tell you in this video, and by the end, you'll know how to make a proper inventory management system in monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into monday.com. Once when you log into your account, you will be redirected to this homepage and you can see this, I would say, tab right here on your left. This is where all the magic happens. Now, what do you need to do? You need to click on this plus icon and then you need to create a new board, but you need to click here on this arrow and then click here on start with template. So yeah. So once when you're here, you can see that there are many templates that you can use. They are by recommendations. They are by by the niche that you like to work on or the genre, or you have all the templates right here. Now there is a plethora of templates that you can use from here, but what you need to do, I'll tell you something amazing to save your time. You need to go here on search and write inventory management. So here you go. This will be the magic potion that will be using in order to manage inventory. Now, the beautiful thing about Monday.com is that you don't need to create anything from the scratch. It's very time consuming when you create anything from the scratch and, start everything from number one. But here, you don't need to do that at all because everything is done. You can see the screenshots of these templates right here. And what you need to do is you just need to click on use template. So here you go. The magic for you has been already done by monday.com. You can see that if you have computers, then this is the folder of computers. For example, I own an electronic business, and in my business, there are computers and TVs. Okay, so computers involve laptop and PC systems and all that. And TV includes, the Samsung and Apple TVs, etc., etc. So this is my uh, table for computers and this is my table for TVs. So you can see that in computers, I have MacBook, HP, Dell. I can add more items if I want. And this is the manufacturer of the respective items that I have. This is the order number. This is the stock quantity. How much stock do I have of these items? This is the reorder level. What is the reorder level and reorder needed or not? You can also write that. How I'm amazed to see how informative it is. It takes care of all the minute details that you need in your business. So, moving on, this is the stock check date. The last time stock was checked, unit price, price of one computer, and inventory value. How much inventory do we have of all these items? Order status, are they on order? They're not order yet. You can also decide that. And last updated, when was it last updated? And the email of this manufacturer. So you can see how beautifully it is done. And it's also gonna, give you a sum formula here. It will add all of these and give you a sum right here because in inventory management, it's very important to keep check on numbers. Likewise, we have the same uh, columns and niches for the TVs as well. Now you can change it to whatever you want. For example, if you do a business of, let's just say, mobiles. So you're going to write mobile here, and then you can write uh, iPhone, and then Nokia, for example. I know Nokia is not anymore in the market, but just for the sake of example, and BlackBerry, BlackBerry. So you can, use your own products that are present in your inventory. You can write their manufacturer name. For example, this is Apple. Okay, so you can, add manufacturers yourself too. So you can just edit and, add a new label and Apple, and here you go. So this is the way you do it. And to help you even more, there's also a chart available that gives the demographics and infographics of your inventory. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.